Hi, I'm Ryan Godin, your local Calgary realtor with MV Real Estate Group, RE/MAX First. And as the beautiful fall season is upon us, it's the perfect time to talk about some simple home and yard projects to prepare your property for the colder months ahead. Whether you're a homeowner or getting ready to sell, these tasks can help you boost your curb appeal and protect your home through the winter. First up, let's talk about your yard. Fall is all about cleaning up and preparing for winter. Raking leaves and cleaning debris is essential. It keeps your lawn healthy and prevents issues like mold or pests. Plus, a tidy yard always makes a great impression if you're selling. While you're cleaning up, consider planting some fall flowers like chrysanthemums. They can add a vibrant touch to your landscaping, making your home feel warm and welcoming during this season. A few well-placed pumpkins or outdoor lanterns can also give your front porch a perfect seasonal touch. Next, it's time to tackle those gutters. Falling leaves and debris can clog your gutters, leading to water buildup and ice damming once the snow hits. Make sure you clean them out thoroughly and inspect for any damage before winter sets in. This can save you from costly repairs down the road. Now, let's head back inside. Fall is a great time to inspect your windows and doors. Check for drafts and make sure your weather stripping is intact. Proper insulation will not only keep your home cozy, but also help reduce heating costs when the temperature drops. Speaking of heating, don't forget to service your furnace. Replacing the filter and having a professional checkup will ensure it's running efficiently all winter long. A well-maintained furnace can also be a selling point if you're planning to list your home. Another key area to inspect is your roof. Missing or damaged shingles can lead to leaks and other issues during Calgary's snowy winters. If you have a chimney, now's the time to have it cleaned and inspected for safety. A well-maintained roof and chimney can add value to your home and offer peace of mind to both you and potential buyers. Don't forget about your outdoor furniture. Clean and store your patio furniture or cover it to protect it from the elements. Doing this will help extend its life, so when spring rolls around, you're ready to enjoy your outdoor space again. Taking care of these fall projects not only helps prepare your home for winter, it also enhances the appeal, whether you're looking to stay cozy or considering putting your home on the market. A well-maintained home stands out, especially during the cooler months when buyers are looking for a property that's move-in ready. If you have any questions about fall home projects or need help navigating the real estate market here in Calgary, don't hesitate to reach out. My email is ryan@calgarysagent.com. My phone number is 403-614-4711. You can also DM me on Facebook, just search Ryan Godin, or you can DM me on Instagram. My username is Realtor Alberta. And even if you're not looking to buy or sell a home right now, but you want to learn more about the market, the process, and other mistakes to avoid and best practices to do, follow me on YouTube, as I share a lot of educational content. Or again, just reach out. I love helping people, I love real estate, and thank you for watching.